How to protect your Microsoft Excel workbook with a password. To protect your file with a password is to prevent unauthorized access to your file. There are basically two ways you can achieve this, and I will use Microsoft Excel 2007 in this example. The first thing you need to do is to open your Excel file. When you open your Excel file, then you go to Office button. When you go to Office button, you move down to Prepare. When you get to Prepare, then you go to Encrypt Document and click on it. A dialog box will appear. You put your desired password and click OK. Then you enter the password to confirm. So the next thing you need to do is to close your workbook and find out if the password actually applies. Open up the workbook again. As you can see, the password actually applied. This means for you to access this workbook, you need to enter your password correctly. Another way you can do it is when you are saving your workbook for the first time. What you need to do is to open a fresh workbook. When you open a fresh workbook, then you go to Office button, you come down to Save As, then you click on it. When you click on it, you supply your desired name for the workbook. Say password test. After supplying the file name, then you come down to Tools, then you click on this triangular arrow, then you choose General Options. When you choose General Options, you'll be prompted with a dialog box to supply the password. You enter password to open and also password to modify. If you want to make your workbook to be read only, then you tick this very box, but if not, you click OK. Then you confirm your password again. Then finally, you save your workbook. So at this stage, you close your workbook again to find out if the password actually applies. Right click on it, go to Open. As you can see, the password prompt is here. You supply your correct password and click OK. Confirm the password. That's it. That is how to password your Excel file to prevent an unauthorized access.